the bottom to the top. Mama.
Hello guys! I just arrived in Cannes from Paris and the atmosphere here is amazing. There are a lot of festivals at Palais Festival. If you like festivals and you like a city that always has something to do, I think you definitely have to go to Cannes. And right now we're going to have some dinner. Mariel! Нет! Не нападать на маму! So if you're in Cannes in July and in August, think about the festival of fireworks. For example, this year it was the 14th of July and it was the Germans who opened it. And it's something incredible because you can see it here from the downtown, or you can go to rooftop on the Palais Festival and you can watch it. So it's going to be until the end of August and it was marvelous. And I guess it's one of the reasons to visit Cannes because you always have festivals here and fireworks festival is something incredible. So right now we're in Carlton. It's the hotel, one of the most famous hotels in Cannes and in the world. So right now I'm going to show you that also there are soirées, so the evenings for you to see the fireworks. Because now it's the festival of fireworks in Cannes, and so the first fireworks were started with Germans. It was the 14th of July. And now the next one will be 21st. It was on the 21st of July, and so the next one will be 29th of July. It's going to be in Austria. So if you want to spend a nice evening and to watch the fireworks, you can come at Carlton. Reserving the table.